What are you hearing? Birds. Hi everyone, my name is Khanya and today we're going to be cooking my Monte Cristo tray bake. It's basically like a croque monsieur where it's ham and cheese and all that good stuff, and then the sandwich itself is completely dunked in egg and either deep fried or pan fried. So today we're gonna take that amazing sandwich and we're gonna put it in a tray bake. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 6 eggs into this bowl. Let me quickly do that. So we got our eggs in here. I'm gonna plonk a whole lot of cream in there. That is a cup's worth. So I'm gonna do a good whisk and get all this combined. We're gonna make a nice little egg custard. Lightly season our egg custard with a bit of salt. We have got our gypsy ham and I've got some sliced mozzarella right here. So to make your life easier, just go to Woolies and pick these up. I'm gonna line this sheet with some greaseproof paper, and then the fun doth beginneth. I got this cracked wheat sourdough from Woolies. It's already sliced, which is great. Now you can take your gypsy ham and you can make these little rosettes in between the bread, and you can do this completely randomly, and then also just factor your cheese in as well. I'm gonna put a few knobs of butter over the top. This is not compulsory, but I'm doing it just for a little bit more, you know what it is. And we're gonna try and distribute the 6 eggs amongst this whole tray bake. Okay, right, so we are done. We're gonna pop this into the oven for 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Bye! Yay, okay, this is it. It is done, and it is heavy, and it's for the whole fam, y'all. The finishing touches, what makes a Monte Cristo special is the fact that it's kind of a cross between sweet and savory, right? And this is the polarizing part, but it's so good. Everyone's gonna love this. Okay, so I got this really good raspberry preserve. You could even go marmalade for this. You can kind of do really anything you like. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of a shake of icing sugar. This, people, looks amazing. Cheese. Woo! So we got a good bit of ham and cheese there. I'm also going to be pouring a little bit of evaporated milk onto this. That's the one. That's delicious. That is perfection. I'm gonna finish this. Goodbye.